Welcome to Christmas dinner. Come on back, see what's cooking. This is where I live, on the Delta. Come down here. This is my lane where I fish, provide for my family, my community. Come on yonder by the fire. See what we got cooking. This is the backyard grill. See what we got cooking on the backyard grill. Oh, look, it's my catfish. I caught this catfish earlier today in the morning. Then I gutted the old thing and I gave it the special Jesse's Backyard fried blackened catfish extravaganza. It's been cooking for about 4 to 6 hours. And it's hot. It's ready to eat. What do you say, guys? Let's go cook up this catfish. Careful, it's hot. Come on, yonder. This is where I keep my wood. Merry Christmas. Come on in. Friends or family in this house. Oh, hello, everybody. Christmas catfish is here. Let me show you guys how I clean this catfish. Oh, hey, Mama. I just got my catfish from outside down yonder.
Dude, that stinks. You're gonna die.
So, what I like to do is basically take it and just paint it with some Cajun sauce.
Dude, can you do that outside? Oh my god.
That is good.
I'll take it out.
Alright, who wants the first bite of Jesse's Southern Gulf Coast cooking catfish? What's that, Mama Lori? You want a bite?
No, thank you.
Oh, everybody's so polite. Excuse me, Lucas. It's time to eat Jesse's Southern fried catfish. Look at that. It's opaque. Tastes kind of like a tuna fish, but more like a catfish. And that's how you eat Jesse's Merry Christmas, blackened, fried, southeastern, Gulf of Mexico catfish. Merry Christmas.
Merry Christmas.
Howdy everyone, my name's Jesse and this is my backyard grill. Welcome. Right now I got some taters, some carrots, and some tomatoes cooking on my outdoor grill. It's a real blessed place to be. Alright guys, gotta get to studying. I'll see y'all soon.
Merry Christmas.
He's crazy. He's nuts. He's gonna make you a YouTube star.